Hello everyone, this is En Hao Yu from Group 9, and today my presentation is about the HIV data for Southeast Asia, and our main focus is on three countries, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. And my research question is that is economy the main reason contributing to the progress of the HIV indicators? And the data tools I use is my SQL and Microsoft Power BI. And the data sources I used is from these three websites. And here is the data I got and the KPI related. The first one is the estimate number of people living with HIV. The second one is the estimate number of deaths due to HIV. And the third one is the estimate number of women above 15 living with HIV. And number four is the percentage of pregnant women with known HIV status. And number five is the final mother-to-child transmission rate, including breastfeeding period. And the sixth one is estimate number of new HIV infections between children from 0 to 19 years old. And the seventh one is estimate number of children between age 0 to 7 years old who have lost one or both parents due to AIDS. And here is the website I found those data. And um, the next step is getting data from data sources. And um, here's the data I got. And the next step is creating a database and establish a HIV database in my SQL and upload data from CSV Excel to HIV database. And the next step I did is the data cleaning. Check if there was any difference between tables to be joined. And for the data clean step, I leveraged to the Excel and SQL statement. I eliminate the difference between the different data sources. And here's the example as below. Matching the Vietnam, pivoting data, and dealing with the unwanted chart in string, handling the pivot data table for later join. And here is the final table I got. And joining data tables and calculating the KPIs. And exporting from my SQL and import to Power BI. And here is the graph I got from the Power BI, and we can see some trends from these graphs, and this is KPI related. And here is the findings from the graphs. And the first one is that I think Thailand got the highest volume of poor living with HIV. And the second one is the number of people dying from HIV each year in Thailand is the fastest decreasing of any country. And the third one is that the number of HIV infections among women in Thailand is declining year by year, but this trend is not observed in other countries. The fourth one is that the percentage of pregnant women infected with HIV in Thailand is decreasing year by year, but this trend is not observed in other countries. And the fifth one is mother to children HIV transmission rate is decreasing in all countries. And number six, at the same time, the number of HIV infections among children in Thailand has also dropped the fastest. And number seven, the number of who have lost one or both parents due to AIDS in Thailand has also dropped the fastest between Thailand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. And here's the trends for GDP per capita and unemployment rate for each country. And here is the findings and conclusions from those graphs. It is clear that Thailand does not have the highest GDP, but it enjoys the lowest employee rate. I have reason to believe that GDP per capita is not the positive associated with HIV. But all indicators of HIV are positively correlated with the employment rate. And here's the facts I observed. In South Asia, Thailand has the best in all unemployment rate, and its HIV indicator are improving year by year. The second one is that HIV indicator are not positively correlate with the GDP per capita. Conclusions. The economic is not the only factor contributing to the progress of HIV indicators, at least not the main one. And everyone has a job, which is even more important. And here is some of my recommendations. Increasing the social work positions and reduce the gap between rich and poor, and increasing everyone's HIV awareness. And here's my takeaway points. Now is the area of data. There's a lot of variable data on internet waiting for us to discover, as long as we have the ability to do the data cleaning. And the second one is that good BI analyze tool can provide intuitive results. And the third one is good analyze requirements instead into the essence. Sometimes the essence is not consistent with the intuition. Example, GDP per capita is not positively associated with the HIV. And thank you everyone for watching this.